Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Today's video topic is bachelor degree admission process. I'm going to explain in brief. It could take 5 to 7 minutes to explain the whole process about bachelor degree admission for Finland. If you are watching this video, you are welcome, and of course I will show you how to find all the information to apply for bachelor degree in Finland. What is the requirements, what kind of documents you need. Outside temperature now is about -12 or -14, so it's really cold in Finland this year. So if you have already decided to come to Finland, of course you should know that Finland is really cold. Okay, so let me show you those things through screen. So guys, I will go through the screen and I will explain what kind of documents do you need for bachelor degree admission in Finland. Okay, first of all, where to find all this information. Okay, so to find all the information for bachelor degree admission in Finland, you have to browse studyinfo.fi in this website. You will get all the required information from this website. Okay, so when there is an application round for bachelor degree admission in English, you will see this notification here. For example, currently there is an application going for upper secondary education in Finland. Okay, so you will see that joint application notification here for bachelor degree when there is application round. Mostly for joint application it starts in January. There is a 2 application round in Finland, but most of the international program you will find in joint application. Otherwise you can find separate application. You have to go through different university and you have to check their application round. Okay, so if you don't find this application round here, what you can do, you can go to bachelor degree application in English, and you can find all the universities list in this link, and you can find application round for separate universities. Okay, I hope this is clear. Okay, what kind of documents do you require for application for bachelor degree? Okay, you do not need any IELTS or any English language equivalent to any English language proficiency score. Okay, because you have to sit for entrance exam for bachelor degree. So what kind of documents do you need to apply for bachelor degree? So you need to have your higher secondary school certificate and mark sheet for that. Okay, you need a passport. Okay, and then maybe you can have a CV with that. Okay, you do not need any kind of English language proficiency certificate, which means IELTS or equivalent to IELTS. Okay, because you have to sit for entrance exam. Okay, if you pass in the entrance exam, then you can get a admission to a universities. Okay, so it is pretty simple. Okay, so where to find the application period? Okay, I have already explained that. You have to find it from studyinfo.fi. so you can apply to maximum 6 program if you apply to joint application round. Okay, maximum 6 programs or maximum 6 universities if you apply one program in one universities. Okay, you can apply more than one program to a universities. You need to scan all the documents and upload it to the application. When let me show you. So when there is application round, you can click this and you can fill the application. Okay, so you need to fill that and upload all the documents there, and then university will give you invitation for the entrance exam. Okay, another thing, you don't need entrance exam if you have SAT score. You can apply directly with SAT score. So then you don't have to sit for entrance exam. So mostly entrance exam happens offline, but this year 2021 it was online because of a corona pandemic. So we don't know yet for next year what will happen. Okay, for entrance exam topics, where to find the entrance exam topic? Okay, you can go to FINIFS. Okay, finifs.fi. You can browse to this finifs.fi and you can come to this entrance exam. In this section you will find the entrance exam topics. Okay, so I hope this is clear. So after you get your admission to your university will give you maybe some scholarship or maybe early bird discount on the tuition fees, and then you have to pay that tuition fees. Okay, after you pay tuition fees you need to apply for residence permit for Finland. Okay, so I will show you where to apply. Okay, enter Finland. You have to come to this place, enter Finland, and you have to make your residence permit application in this space. Okay, I have a video for entrance exam details, and I have another video for how to make application to enter Finland. I will put those link in the video description. You can also watch those. And I have also a video for details explanation about bachelor degree. You can also watch that video. Okay, after you get admitted, so I will explain a little bit about sponsorship. Okay, so you are going to apply for residence permit. You need to have 6,720 euro for 1 year living cost for Finland. Okay, if you want to apply for 2 years, you need to show double amount, which is 13,440 for 2 years. Okay, you have to show the bank statement for yourself and for your sponsors, and then you should have passport, valid passport, and you have to pay embassy fee. Okay, so guys, I think I have explained most of the topics in this time. If you want to learn more about degree admission, you can watch video, detailed video for bachelor admission. You can from the description. Thank you.